Yeah, this was a great show this year. There are kind of three highlights out there. The first was that we have to refresh our server installed base in order to free up power for all these AI servers out there, which leads to the two other kind of strategic things that we saw. Liquid cooling, which can be in a whole bunch of different form factors out there. There's a lot of talk of immersion cooling, but we're not really big fans of that because you can only do that on the first floor of data centers. But kind of these heat sinks or plate cooling are going to get a lot of traction out there. And the third one is really AI, right? We're kind of at a new change in the market where AI is going to dominate server designs, data center designs going forward, and structurally that's a new type of workload, a new type of compute. So just like OCP did 10 years ago of democratizing compute, we expect the same thing with AI as we continue forward here.